Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Credit Karma to your bank account step by step clearly. To begin, open the Credit Karma app on your mobile device or visit the Credit Karma website on your computer. Log into your Credit Karma account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Accounts. Click on Add an account or Connect your bank. Choose the type of bank account you wish to connect, such as checking or savings. Next, you'll be prompted to select your bank from the list provided. If your bank appears in the list, click on it to proceed. If your bank is not listed, you can search for it using the search bar. Once you find your bank, click on it to connect. Now, you'll need to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. Credit Karma uses bank-level encryption to keep your information secure. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Follow any additional prompts if your bank requires extra verification, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Once you've successfully logged in, Credit Karma will begin to import your bank account information. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. When the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your account is connected. You can now view your banking information directly within Credit Karma. If you encounter any issues during this process, check your internet connection or ensure your login details are correct. For further assistance, you can visit the Credit Karma Help Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.